Welcome to our channel. If you're fascinated by the world of artificial intelligence and want to kickstart a rewarding career, you're in the right place. The realm of AI careers is vast, dynamic, and is evolving every day. From machine learning engineers to data scientists, there's a role for everyone. And it's not just about the roles, it's about making a significant impact in fields ranging from healthcare to finance. So, buckle up as we dive into the exciting universe of AI careers. The AI job market is booming like never before, but what does this mean for you? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer the stuff of science fiction. It has become a reality that permeates every industry, from healthcare to finance, from logistics to entertainment. This has resulted in a job market that's ripe with opportunities for those with the right set of skills. Currently, the AI job market is a bustling arena of innovation and growth, with businesses of all sizes vying to leverage this technology to gain a competitive edge. According to a report by LinkedIn, AI specialist roles have grown by nearly 74% annually over the past 4 years, making it the fastest growing job category. This exponential increase in demand for AI professionals is not just confined to the tech industry. Industries as diverse as agriculture, manufacturing, and retail are harnessing the power of AI to streamline operations, enhance customer experience, and make data-driven decisions. This means that AI professionals have the chance to work in a variety of settings, solving unique challenges and making meaningful contributions. The beauty of the AI field lies in its diversity. It's not just about building intelligent machines, but also about understanding human behavior, making sense of complex data, and creating strategies to drive business growth. Whether you're interested in coding, data analysis, research, or business strategy, there's a place for you in the AI landscape. But it's not just about the here and now. The future looks even brighter. PwC predicts that AI could contribute up to $15 trillion to the global economy by 2030. This means more innovation, more job roles, and more opportunities for AI professionals. So whether you're a student pondering your next academic move, a professional looking to switch careers, or an entrepreneur seeking new business opportunities, the AI field offers a world of possibilities. It's a dynamic and exciting landscape that promises not just a job, but a rewarding career. Clearly, there's never been a better time to forge a path in AI. From machine learning engineer to robotic scientist, the AI field is abundant with roles. Let's dive into some of the prominent roles in the AI sector. First up, we have machine learning engineers. These professionals are the wizards who transform data into actionable insights. They design and implement machine learning algorithms, develop advanced predictive models, and ensure that the systems are running smoothly. A strong background in computer science, statistics, and programming is a must for this role. Next, we have data scientists. Often considered as the detectives of the AI world, they analyze and interpret complex digital data to help businesses make decisions. A keen analytical mind, proficiency in programming languages like Python or R, and a good understanding of machine learning are essential skills for data scientists. Then there's the role of a research scientist. These individuals push the boundaries of AI and machine learning technologies. They conduct experiments, publish research papers, and contribute to the broader scientific community. A PhD in a relevant field and a strong research background are typically required for this role. Business intelligence developers are another integral part of the AI landscape. They design, model, and maintain complex data in highly accessible cloud-based platforms. They should have a solid understanding of business needs, along with technical skills in areas like SQL, data warehousing, and BI technologies. Lastly, we have robotic scientists. They design and create robots and robotic systems, often incorporating AI technologies to enhance functionality and versatility. Strong skills in robot programming, mechanical design, and AI algorithms are crucial for this role. Each role offers unique challenges and opportunities, so choose the one that aligns with your passion. Remember, the AI field is ever evolving. It's not just about the technical skills, but also about the ability to think creatively, solve complex problems, and adapt to new situations. So, are you ready to explore these exciting roles and kickstart your AI career? You might be wondering, what educational background do I need to break into AI? Well, let's dive into that. The first step on the ladder to an AI career often starts with a solid educational foundation. Typically, a bachelor's degree in computer science, data science, mathematics, or a related field is the minimum requirement. These offer a strong base in programming, algorithms, data structures, and mathematics, which are crucial for AI and machine learning. But don't stop there. Many AI professionals opt to further their education with advanced degrees. Master's programs and PhDs in fields such as AI, machine learning, or data science can open doors to more specialized roles and leadership positions. These programs delve deeper into the complexities of AI, offering a more comprehensive understanding of the field. Now you may be thinking, I've got my degree, I'm all set, right? Well, not quite. The AI field is constantly evolving with new techniques, tools, and applications emerging all the time. This is where continuous learning comes in. In the world of AI, the learning journey doesn't end with a degree, it's an ongoing process. Online courses, webinars, workshops, and certifications can help you stay ahead of the curve. They provide opportunities to learn about the latest advancements, polish existing skills, and even acquire new ones. Also, don't underestimate the power of self-learning. Books, research papers, and online resources are great ways to independently expand your knowledge. Engaging with AI communities and forums can expose you to diverse perspectives and real-world problems. Lastly, consider hands-on experience. Practical projects and internships give you a chance to apply what you've learned in a real-world context. They can make you more attractive to potential employers who often value experience just as much as formal education. To sum up, the path to an AI career starts with a solid educational foundation, but it doesn't end there. Continuous learning and hands-on experience are equally important. And remember, in the world of AI, learning never stops. Fortunately, there are numerous online courses to get you started on your AI journey. From beginner to advanced levels, there's something for everyone. Websites such as Coursera, edX, and Udacity offer a rich variety of AI courses, ranging from machine learning to data science and robotics. These platforms provide certifications that can add significant value to your resume. But remember, it's not just about earning a certificate. The real value lies in the hands-on experience you'll gain. Many of these courses come with practical projects that allow you to apply your theoretical knowledge in real-world scenarios. This hands-on learning approach is crucial in mastering AI. It's through these practical projects that you'll truly understand the intricacies of algorithms, data structures, and the logic behind AI systems. So, don't wait. Dive in, start learning, and start doing. With the right course, you'll be well on your way to becoming an AI professional. A portfolio can be your golden ticket to landing that dream AI job. It's more than just a collection of your past work. It's your chance to tell your story, to showcase your skills, and to demonstrate your ability to solve real-world problems. Let's say you've taken part in Kaggle competitions, or perhaps you've worked on a personal AI project. Include these in your portfolio. They are tangible proof of your ability, and they show that you're not afraid to roll up your sleeves and get your hands dirty. If you've contributed to open-source projects, don't forget to include links to your GitHub repositories. Employers love to see this as it shows your passion for the field and your willingness to learn and grow. Remember, your portfolio is a reflection of you and your work. It's your chance to stand out from the crowd and to show potential employers what you're capable of. A compelling portfolio can be the difference between getting a job offer and getting overlooked. Now, where do you find these AI job opportunities? Well, creating strong profiles on job hunting platforms like LinkedIn, Indeed, and Glassdoor is a great start. These platforms are teeming with AI job postings from around the globe. But remember, it's not just about applying for jobs. Networking is key. Engage with industry professionals, join AI groups, participate in discussions. This not only increases your visibility, but also keeps you in the loop about the latest opportunities. With the right strategy, your dream AI job is just a few clicks away. In the fast-paced world of AI, staying updated is key. This is a field that evolves every single day with new ideas, theories, and technologies constantly emerging. To keep pace with these changes, it's vital to immerse yourself in the AI community. One way to do this is by attending conferences and webinars. These events are often led by experts who share their latest findings and insights, providing a wealth of knowledge to absorb and apply. Furthermore, workshops offer a more hands-on approach, allowing you to learn by doing. Following AI thought leaders on social media is another effective strategy. These individuals often share their perspectives on trending topics, helping you to understand the current landscape and anticipate future directions. Engagement in AI communities and forums also fosters learning. Here you can exchange ideas with like-minded individuals, fostering a deeper understanding of the field. By staying on top of AI trends, you'll always be one step ahead. So there you have it. We've journeyed through the exciting landscape of AI careers. From understanding the booming job market to exploring diverse roles, we've delved into the importance of education, premier AI courses, and building a strong portfolio. We've also highlighted the power of leveraging job hunting platforms and staying current with AI trends. As you embark on this promising path, keep learning, keep innovating, and keep connecting. Remember, the future belongs to those who embrace AI.